again to another session of live business coaching. Today it's about, it is mostly for business owners who are using social media and creating content and posting it on the social media platforms. 99% of content that is posted never sees the day of light. It doesn't get any engagement, it doesn't get any likes, it doesn't get any views. And 99% of content creators, business owners are failing to do the steps after the posting. There are 3 steps to do after the posting. Today I'm joined here with Alan. He's a visibility engineer. He helps businesses create social media content. He's also creating content for us. He's doing our written posts as well as some videos, footage, and advertisements. Alan, you've suffered from this problem yourself. Can you describe to the audience this content or this live session is for people who are content creators or business owners who are using social media to market themselves, their products or their services. So if you're not part of that group, then you can scroll off. Now describe, you've been in the visibility sector, you've been building websites, you've been doing SEO, you've been doing social media postings. What has been your problem and how have I helped you overcome it?
Audiences, good morning. Hope you're doing good. My name is Alan. As Harish Dabastian says, I've been just in the visibility engineer, as you came the title about that, and I'm just helping the business owners so to get visible, who are invisible to the online, then we help them. So we've been come up some ideas and just see them stuck on something was Harish Dabastian saying. So just to be posting is a lot of things, so you need to post, and I just see them but my posts, my videos not getting engagement.
So we just worked on his personal content for his personal account as well as for his business account, where he had been, I think he's been posting it for over a year, and some of the recent posts, they were not getting any views.
Yeah,
so what did we do yesterday night to help you start getting views?
As you, the viewers, audience who see the title, where I talk about 99 of people skip this after posting. So we always need to posting. That's the first things we do as content creators, business, but we don't need to know the next, what the algorithm we need to, what the other things we need to do so that the thing we post to go viral, to just reach to the people we want to gain.
To go viral or to reach the target audience
Yes,
that it is designed for. So we are creating business content. Shorts can go viral and can have a lot of views, but we don't get any sales from it. It is the long form content that people consume, and that gives us leads that turn into clients. But anyone who is using social media, we all create posts, and it takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of commitment. And a lot of content creators, after 90 days of consistently doing this, they plateau out or they don't improve and they give up the whole experiment. If you have made the effort of creating the content and you want more views, you want more likes, engagement, then there are 3 more steps you have to do after posting. Posting is the first step. What did we do for you yesterday?
The step 1, you just help me. It's about leaving the strong comment to your post.
If we are no longer in the social media sphere, it is now content or attention media. So all your content is not only shown to your subscribers, it is shown out to anyone who is consuming that kind of content. So if you're searching for business content, so business content will pop up from people that you have never subscribed to. And that's why it is now, it's no longer social media content, it's about attention media content. And so if you are targeting business owners or you're targeting content creators, let's say you're a YouTuber and you do tips on YouTube, then just posting is the first half. You've made a lot of effort to create the content, the video, whatever you've done, post or whatever. Then for the algorithm to start, it will just do a test leads, and it will do it to a very small circle. And then if they consume it and they like it or they engage with it, then they will start finding new audiences for it. That's how it works. And so posting is the first thing. Then if your content is good, then it will be pushed out. You don't need to do nothing. But most of us have to do this step 2 and 3. And what are those steps 2 and 3 that we did for you?
After the first step, you give me advice, then just commenting something. So you just audiences, you post, but you just, as Harish told me, you need to just make a comment that sparkle the conversation you are talking about.
And the comments should not feel like it is done by a robot, AI robot. It says good, excellent, brilliant, and a heart and a thumbs up. No, that's not going to engage with anything.
Yeah. That was the mistake I used to do. Thank you, great, you are brilliant. Why emojis? Nothing that.
No, and it's not going to change the dynamics. It's not going to push your content out. It has to be, the consumer needs to then respond. I found your video entertaining. I found your video educational. I found your video inspiring. It's that kind of comments. And then once you get a comment, you have to reply to it. And it has to happen within the 24 hours. As soon as you post it, if you're a popular content creator, then you need to dedicate another 1 hour or 2 hours to just engage with the community. People are questioning you, they are commenting you, they are giving you approval, then you have to acknowledge it. And that helps the algorithm to push your content far wider than your limited subscriber pool. So, and today you don't need to have any subscribers. You could have no subscribers and still get a video go viral.
That's what we need to go to the step 2. As you say, we need to first leave the first comment. You do it for yourself. No other gonna do that. And the other thing, it's about reply to the comment and liking.
So certain things you can do yourself, and the other thing is once you get engagement from your audience, then you need to start engaging with them. Sometimes you have to ask a follow-up question. So if somebody says, "Oh, I liked your content very well," then you have to then say, "What exactly did you like about it?"
And then let me just give the audience testimonies. I just posted the video with 0 views, and then Harish the Bashan, he just showed me that Aaron, just commenting this, the video I was making, and then I just give the good spark conversation, and I like the comment I made, and I go back to my account. I reply to the comment because I was using his account, and after reply to the comment and I like it, in 2 seconds I got 4 views.
And this video has been sitting on your account for months.
For
4 months.
Then I told the algorithm just shows that even the YouTube is see that what you post, they are engaging.
And this content had gone cold. It had gone in the deep freeze, and we woke it up again.
Which shows me that even if I'm not engaging my content I posted, even the YouTube, even the TikTok, even the platform, we're gonna not push wider to the people who need it.
No.
And the other things I was mistaken about, it's about the title. We always consider about title. Them just put the title for the business, this like this. I was just discovering no need, just even simple as well.
We found out that titles that doesn't require people to think are the ones that do best. The titles there is a video that has had over 30,000 views in just 4 days. It had only 1 word title, just 1 word, and we go about writing titles that fills the whole 100 characters. It's not required.
So people like.
And today, you don't even need to do the tagging, the hashtags. The algorithm does not consider it.
I give the testimonies about that video I was posting, but only 2 seconds to comment and what I'm commenting and what engaging.
There was another video that had out 12 views, and as soon as we started engaging with it, it has had over 40 views.
Currently, let me just even show them.
Show the evidence.
The evidence is, how is it? Let me just come to my video, and I see now, so I go how many my content and just to my video. So at the evening we left it at 4 something, and then we're gonna just see how is it now. Because you don't need even to post only that. If you post only that and you let it freeze, even the YouTube, even the TikTok, they just help you to freeze it deeply.
There is, with AI, content creation has become so cheap and so abundant, that if you're not a very popular content creator, there is no chance of you being discovered. There's no chance of your content being pushed.
Right now, there is a video I was having 0 views.
Mhm.
Currently now on my video, I don't have the 0 views. You can find it.
How many views do you have?
So right now I have 7 views.
Mhm.
I was having 0 just on my TikTok 1 month.
And there is another one that
Another one, girl 4, I was having 0. And the
Yeah,
other people.
this one has 72 views. It had only 12 views yesterday.
So see, the algorithm is working right now. So if you post it, make sure that you comment. As we said, that the first step you need to go in.
And also engage with the people that are commenting. So it's not only comment, and it's also reply to the comment.
Make sure.
So I know this is, you've taken a lot, so it's come back. So it's not, a lot of effort goes into creating content.
But I don't know the algorithm.
If I know it is exhausting, but you need to do these few steps. One is start commenting, start engaging with the audience, start liking the comments and replying to the posts. So these are the few things that you need to do once you've posted your content. So you've done a lot of effort in doing the thumbnails, you've done the descriptions, you've done the titles, you've done many things. But if nobody sees it, you're going to be disheartened. You're going to give up even before you start. And yet it's not that social media does not work. You don't know how to use it.
You don't know the algorithm.
You don't know how to use it. You don't know how to cite the algorithm.
Maybe you have a lot of for the audience, your people around you. You don't need, you just take the phone and comment and like that, which is will push to them. If you just do it and you see like 3 comments, 5 comments, so even the YouTube they start promoting you.
What happens is you do a test run for around 100 people, and nobody sees it, nobody opens it, nobody engages with it, then it puts it in the freezer. Then when even now you did, a few months later we started engaging with it.
Yeah.
It came out of the freezer and then it starts distributing it.
People they start enjoying that.
But again, so this, nothing in life is easy. You don't expect social media marketing to be easy. And if you don't have the time, you don't have the inclination, then use experts like Alan, me, to help you do it, because you're too busy with your own business. You don't have the time to do these things, then hire somebody to do it for you.
There is a mistake people they always want to say that I can do it myself. This algorithm it take a lot of time.
I see this a lot in Africa. African businessmen and women, they think, oh, I can do it all myself. Mr. Superman.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Why should I pay somebody else?
Yeah.
That's short-sightedness. That's stupidity. You can't be a master of all jack. You'll be good at none. If the jack is a master of all trades, he's good at none.
You can do it in 3 days, 7 days, but you can't do it
continuously. It needs to be done consistently. We've been doing this for now 4.5 months, 5 months now. We've started doing lives every single day apart from Monday when we are not here. And that's deliberate. It's designed.
And even we are still discovering the best algorithm that can work out.
And it keeps changing.
As
the platforms keep changing it.
As the platform keep just growing out, we need even us to know the algorithm, that work for us, so to push our content.
And so for somebody who does it day out, not only for himself but then for his client's business, will know the inside roads. They'll know how to overcome the traffic jams. You need somebody like that does this on a daily basis to understand what he's doing.
Always having the target goal. So if this week it doesn't work out, so what's the algorithm I use? So I can change the algorithm and they start just helping them. Because you are a business owner, why you just do content? You need the people to see that your product, digital product.
It's whatever it is that you're selling, it's a product or a service. If you want to reach out to audiences beyond your circle, then social media is the way to do it. Social media marketing, anyone who does resist and says, I'm not going to get into this race, is going to be left behind. Anyone who fears AI, does not use AI. Alan, you use AI to do my posters. You just give it brief description and it will do all the design, it will do all the thumbnails. Everything is being done now by AI.
Which is the people, they don't know the tricks and tactics. So
and they're a business owner. They don't have the time. They don't have and they don't need to know that. Why should they move away from their day job, which is selling products or selling services? That's what they should do. That's what they should focus on. Let experts like me and you do the things that they are not good at. Do not expect to be good at everything. or you'll be rubbish at everything.
Then as to the go to the 3 steps, just help me. We are talking about how each and person should engage in with the content.
So first part is posting. The second part is that you start commenting and then start replying. And again, liking and replying, stop using this good, brilliant, excellent, this evaluative words. You have to, the comments need to be in a way that the algorithm thinks that it has to be a question or it has to be a statement. And I looked at your video, there is this thing that I don't understand. You talked about the 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? Can you clarify it for me? And then you have to reply. The 3 steps is 1, post, 2nd, comment, 3rd, engage.
If you need to just comment, maybe people can say that. Can you just explain to the second point? Maybe
something like that. It has to be something that is engaging. It is useful. It can't be just good, brilliant, superb, fantastic.
I used to do that. But I just already running.
And you're seeing the results of it. And these results are instantaneous, more or less. You don't have to wait for months for it to go viral, for it to start being pushed out to a larger community.